So the next one we have is the bar muscle up, which is probably one of the most difficult gymnastics movements we have, and essentially we need to be able to pull ourselves above the bar and then press out at the top. So we need to see it not so much like a pull-up, but more like a toaster bar, or somewhere like a hybrid between the two. So the kip, you actually want to try and pull the bar down away from the body as far as you can to create as much space between you and the bar so that you can then pull yourself over the bar using your arms at the end. The most common fault we see is people try and pull themselves up like a pull-up, and then they've got to get actually around the bar a lot further. So when we're kipping, we need to think about driving the bar down towards the toes so that we can then pull ourselves up above the bar. Prerequisites for this would be obviously having toes to bar and a really decent chest to bar pull up. So we need to be able to get that bar to be able to pull up at least to our chest, or essentially as high as our belly button, even better our hips. So what we're going to start with is the hips to bar progression. So Harry's going to jump up on the bar and show us 2 kip swings and then a hips to bar progression. So jumping up on the bar, getting active to the lats, getting a strong kip, 1, 2, and then trying to drive the bar down and drive his hips up as high as he can. Once he feels like he's weightless, then he can start to pull the arms and pull himself over the bar, and then obviously from there it's a pretty easy dip. So, let's go, muscle up. Nice, you can see, trying to pull the bar down as far as you can so that you don't end up with a chicken wing at the top of the bar. If you pull the bar down straight with straight arms, obviously it's going to be a lot more smooth, and then you're going to be able to pull yourself over the bar and make a nice smooth transition. So over time, obviously the stronger you get, the more efficient you get at the kip, you're going to get that much smoother. See how you go to start with.